Pay attention. Look, nigga, I don't date outside my race. Do you fucking understand that shit? One, I'm a child of God with an attitude. Two, I've been in a Ku Klux Klan member. Three, I'm an Eastern Stars top. I'm also a Mason. I'm some type of body you don't want to play with. Okay? So don't be asking me if your skin does not match the color of my goddamn skin for a date. Because sugar, you'll get yourself killed by my millions of followers. Now, we can be friends, but you don't ask stupid sexual questions because you will get your ass fucked and dead.